Hey everyone, okay, so I'm going to try and do this in one take. A year ago I resigned from my own company, and if you want to see the original video, I'll put a link above. It's so ridiculous that even just remembering all this now just brings up a lot of stuff. It was an incredibly painful experience for me. This was obviously something that I built up by myself for 14, 15 years, and you know, suddenly. But the moment that I resigned, I felt this immense sigh of relief, because it was like so much pressure was just dissipating. I think when you feel like you've been holding your breath for so long that you can actually forget what air feels like. And also when you're in something that painful, you don't always see clearly, but the people around you do. My partner, my two friends, my accountant, his wife, and my neighbor, who showed up every single day just to try and make me laugh. What they did is they formed a circle around me, and they kept the ramifications of my resignation away from me. And the fallout was, from what I hear, quite spectacular. But I had absolutely no idea that any of this was happening around me. I didn't need to, because they did, and they handled it. They worked tirelessly and endlessly for me, and I will never ever forget what they did for me, ever. They allowed me time to heal, because I truly was not well by this point. I also got support that I never expected from some of the major beauty brands in the industry, who lent me their lawyers, their time, and their advice. And they asked for absolutely nothing in return. Nothing. I will never forget that. It was life-altering at the time, because I felt so incredibly hopeless for a very long time. So here's the thing I think that I learned through all of this, which is don't be so reactive, because no response is a response, and it is a very powerful one. Keep everything, say nothing. Let them wonder. So, what next? If you could please go look at my website, waynegoss.co.uk. I will leave a link in the description bar, of course. The website looks very different now, right? If you scroll down, you'll see a sign up. You won't be spammed. You won't even hear from me until it's time. Because sometime in the fall of 2026, something is coming. Thank you.